Now we'll take a look at Elon's current living situation, or what would be his compound in Bel Air. A big chunk of his wealth seems to be invested in real estate, considering he spent about $100 million total on a series of homes in the area since 2012. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always curious about the homes that are owned by billionaires. Apparently there are 6 mansions in close proximity to each other, not quite next door, but largely concentrated between 2 streets in the Bel Air neighborhood of Los Angeles. Bel Air is located on the west side of LA in the foothills of the Santa Monica Mountains and is an elite neighborhood full of celebs and the well-to-do. Elon fits the bill, of course, considering he's a billionaire. Elon lives in the first Bel Air mansion he bought way back in 2012 for $17 million when he just began building his real estate portfolio. He bought the place through his Elon Musk revocable trust from hedge fund co-founder Michael Julius and was later transferred to Callisto, an LLC linked to Elon. When he started snatching up multiple properties, the real estate agent said it was a decision motivated by utility, thanks to Elon's large family, staff, and visitors.